Hi there, my name is Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can bring your PlayStation Vita back to factory settings. So this would probably be used mostly if you're buying a second-hand one. So for example, I got this one off eBay and it was a spares or repair because it didn't work. Now I've got various different PlayStation Vitas, so I've taken parts out of that one, put them into here, and now I've got it working. The problem is the previous owner's information is still on here, so it's linked to it. So I'm going to show you how to wipe it completely back to factory settings. The only thing that won't change is the software update. So if it's been updated throughout the years, then it will stay at the latest update that it was on before. It doesn't roll back the updates. But apart from that, everything will be wiped from it. So all the parental controls, all the passwords and stuff, it will all be wiped back to factory settings. And when you start it up again, it'd be the same as when you turn it on for the first time, and you'll get that PlayStation Vita video showing you all about it and all the hints and stuff coming up on the screen. So all we have to do is we have to turn it off. So press and hold the on and off button, and now just power off. And then when it's powered off fully, so just wait until that goes off, what we need to do is we need to press and hold 3 buttons at the same time. So that's the PlayStation button, the power button, and also the right trigger up here. So it's a little bit fiddly, but you need to press and hold them all at the same time for a couple of seconds, and then just until the PlayStation logo comes up. So I've got my hands rested on them now, and I'm going to press now. And when the PlayStation logo comes up, I can let go. Okay, so I can let go now, and it will bring up the safe mode. And if you have a look here, I've got different options, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to restore this system. Now you can't use a touch screen, you can't use the analog sticks, you've just got to use the D-pad and then X. And it says settings will be restored to default values and all data in the system storage will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. And now it's restoring. Now this might take varying amount of time depending on how much stuff's on there. And now you can see it's booting itself back up again, and this will be the same as when you first of all got the Vita, or the first owner got the Vita. So it's going to go through the long video, and that is how you do it. So you see now it's completely back to the beginning. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.